Every people in the world know well about this dangerous disease in the name of cancer. In last 30 years, heart disease used to be the #1 killer with 26.1% of death. But cancer makes 26.7% of death and became the #1 in last a few years. According to cancer could be happened anywhere in our bodies, such as lung, brain, kidney, liver, breast, even skin. In order to the most dangerous cancer, and no way to treat, is lung cancer. And the cancer that women are afraid of is breast cancer. People who are receiving any kinds of cancer should know about treatment, how long for treatment, and the side effect, how it feels and something is wrong in the body, and how to live with cancer. Don't be panic is the words that doctor always says to patient who is receiving cancer, because right now there are 3 ways to treat. First, people are usually treated by surgery because there is the easiest way to treat and the cheapest cost to pay. And the result of surgery is around 80% and up. Secondly, chemotherapy is the other way to treat. But this way has many side effects which are losing weight and often unconscious. Also, this way is the most expensive cost to treat. There is around $1,000 to $2,000 per one-time treatment. However, this is the popular way that people want to be treated. Then, the result of this way is about 65% or less, which is enough for cancer's patient. Third, radiotherapy is also the way to control the cancer too. But this way has side effects more than chemotherapy, that is losing hair. Patient who is treated by this way must be in the most dangerous step of cancer. That means they cannot be treated by other 2 ways because they can't control cancer in the body. Regarding 2 steps of cancer's condition, there are 4 steps. Beginning step, second step, dangerous step, and the most dangerous step. Patient who is in the first 2 steps can be treated by surgery. But patient who is the last 2 steps must be treated by chemotherapy, and radiotherapy depend on doctors. There are some conditions of cancer, but before knowing the conditions, we have to know exactly the definition of cancer first. Quote, "Cancer is a word that packs a powerful punch and causes a lot of confusion. But what many people don't realize is that cancer is a general term for a group of more than 100 diseases," end quote, said Cancer Life Center. In order to condition of cancer, patients who are just receiving cancer, they're not going to know in first 2 steps because there is no condition for first 2 steps. In the other hand, the last 2 steps are very important because they cannot sleep at night, always cough, get tired easily, and strongly breath. These are conditions of cancer that all people should know and understand clearly. And if you or someone in your life got these conditions, you must go to see doctor immediately. Living with people with cancer is comfortable because it is not a contagious disease, but it is a heredity disease. We can live normally with cancer patient because it's not communicable by saliva, blood, or skin. For example, we can use a same glass of water, a same bathroom, same utensils, and same clothes. Also, we can sleep together on the same bed, in the same bedroom too. According to Diet Food, patients who eat well during cancer treatment maintain their strength better, are more active, and are better able to fend off infections. The patients who just know that they are receiving cancer must be afraid of death, so we have to console them, give them a morale. For example, say something to them like, "Don't be afraid, doctor can help you." And at least they will feel comfortable, and better. Every disease can be happen to every people. Some of them we can be made a treatment by doctor, some of them we cannot. Because our health comes first before anything, we should consider and take care of ourselves first. Especially, for example, if you are in the most dangerous step of cancer and you already knew that you only have 3 weeks left, what are you going to do? Surely you have to say, "I will do anything I want," but you forget something. You are in the coma, in the hospital, and you are breathing slowly, and you have oxygen on your mouth. You are waiting for death. That is the answer. In order to cancer, 26.7% of death is a lot of numbers more than heart disease, which is 26.1% of death. Cancer has become the #1 killer disease, and that is the fact.